Back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we're going to discuss the simple implementation for mask RCNN. That is mark RCNN. That is mask regional convolution neural network. It's one of the advanced deep learning network where followed a concept of two-stage mechanism, and you can say it's a extended version of faster RCNN. We go for mask RCNN because with the help of mask RCNN, we can detect objects in clear manner and classify the objects also in very specific manner. Once come to the terms of, or once you go through this fast RCNN, there will be ROI pooling concept, sir. But there will be some drawback of ROI pooling. ROI pooling is that is there will be a chance of misalignments. These are overcome in this mask RCNN with the help of ROI align concept. That's how one of the reason we are moving to the mask RCNN. And also it's one of the advanced and very successful model where helpful to detect objects in properly and classify the objects with the help of boundary box regression also. Let's see the small example. So if you want to implement this mask RCNN, you can get some data set and implement through the Google Colab here. So initially we are installing the what files like Python files like import header files like import random, import math, import matplot. Then we are going to write root directory. Then we write a matplot inline and model directory. Then we are going to use trained weight file, and that is we are going to Cocoa model where we are setting Cocoa path is equal to host.path at join and right, yeah. So step by step only. Then we're seeing the directory. Then we are going to inference object. So simple and see. So simple and see so that we can write code and execute easily. That is we are going to write GP code is equal to 1 and initializing images per GP is equal to 1 and configuration also. Then we are going to create the model object. We are writing load the weight trained model on a Cocoa data set and we are going to write the class names. So once the object identified with the help of body box and ROI alignment. Later, the class name show like categorization. So after prediction, that is, it may be background, person, bicycle, car, motorcycle, and so and like that. And moreover, with the help of this one, we can predict and visualize a particular image and video also later. And also, you can go for remove the background also. So this demo, we are going to uh, see the demo where display and segment the given image. That is follow the instant segmentation only. Mask RCN updated successfully. And next image it may show the removal of background here. So initially we are applying the mask RCN and we get the results like this. See the bus image is there and with mask only showing here. Then background image. So how to back do the background removal process? We can write the code definition space segment of image R and follow the mask of and IDX. After completing the code, we try to remove the background here. So we can write the code here image equal to mask underscore image plus BG and return result. So at last we are going to change the segmented image where shows without the background here. So this image with background and crystal clear showing the image without background here. So this is a way how can utilize mask RCN for object prediction. Object direction prediction also. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.